What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here, and we've got another mystery unboxing for you today. We actually received two packages. The first was from Xcool earlier, and now we've got another package that we're going to open up and find out what it is. So before we get started, if you're watching this video, chances are you're not subscribed, because 99% of you are not subscribed, and that's pretty bad numbers. If you like this one, be sure to click on that sub or thanks button below. So onto the video itself. Alright, so it's actually a pretty hefty box here. So we're going to find out what's inside. Let's go ahead and bring out the knife and open this guy up. For these smaller ones, I think I'm just going to do it on screen. I don't think we need the unboxing cam for this kind of stuff. We can actually do it all on screen so you guys can see me, what I actually think of it. No voiceovers. We're doing it live. Let's go ahead and open this up. Yep. Alright, so what do we have here? Ooh, some home security perhaps? So this looks to be the DS10 Pro Keypad Digital Deadbolt. Automatic detection for left and right hand doors, fingerprint door lock, keypad deadbolt, and keyless entry with Bluetooth. So when you bring your phone home, you can just go ahead and open it up using Bluetooth itself. That's pretty interesting, using the app. Let's go ahead and open this up and take a look at what it all looks like. And I think I'll probably have to do another video showing how to set this up. Maybe I'll put a keypad on my office door just for fun, just to kind of show you guys how it works. I don't think I'd keep it there, but yeah, once we move to the new house, this will be super cool. I'm definitely using this for when we move to the new place. So let's go ahead and open this up. All right, nicely packaged, always great to see. And let's take a look at this one first. So these are the guides that you'll use if you need to actually drill anything for, you know, installing the deadbolt. If you don't actually have those installed and it's a new door, we have a 2-year warranty, which is nice to see. And I'm not going to show you the keys, but they do provide 2 keys. They provide mounting hardware, always nice to see. We've got the full deadbolt system in here. So the entire assembly is here for use. We can pull out the back side of the device, and you'll see that it's a very clean black locking system here. And you can see that it's motorized. So when I turn that, you can kind of hear the motor turn. And then we have a button here as well. And all of that connects to the other side of the device this way. So let's pull out the other side of the device. Looks like we do have some more mounting hardware here, so that'll be useful. I'll set that aside. And let's go ahead and pull out the front of the keypad. All right. So here it is. This is the front of the keypad. Tactile buttons. These actually click. They're not just like mushy, so you do know when you're pressing the button. And then it has a fingerprint reader on top as well, so you can actually have your fingerprint open the door, or you can use Bluetooth on your phone to use an app. Once you connect these, you're just gonna plug that in there, and it's gonna, you know, form a connection in the door. So you're just gonna make sure that that goes inside so that it can control the turning. And then you're going to want to use this, and you're going to connect it right here. You're going to make sure that the clip is up, and then it's going to snap in just like that. And then this is going to go in as well, and you're good to go. So we have the keypad on the left, or on one side, and we have the actual device on the other. And again, like I said, I think I will be making a second video on this, actually showing how to install it, because obviously trying to do it here and by hand doesn't make too much sense in front of the camera. I'll make a full how-to and actually install it on a door to show you how it works. Thank you so much to AKA Gear for sending over this brand new home security system for me. It will be well put to use in my new home. We're hopefully moving soon, so that'll be exciting, and we'll have lots of security cameras and cool tech like this to keep us safe. Oh, I almost missed a part too. On this side, on the top of the device itself, you can actually charge through USB-C. So right down here, it has a USB-C port, and you can simply charge the device to keep it going. But in my experience, these types of smart devices usually will last at least a few months, unless they're like always on cameras. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and as always, have a good one. Peace.
Unboxing kudos, we rock that pseudo administrative elevator command. We build it up or break it down in that virtual lab. From conversations to games to interviews with a broader view. He keeps it fresh, always brings something new. It's MikeTheTech, 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 the architect, MikeTheTech, MikeTheTech, yeah, MikeTheTech, the architect,